Hello, Teacher Amanda. Teacher Amanda. Ventures 1. Ventures 1. Unit 0. Welcome. Pages 2, 3, 4. Pages 2 and 3. Welcome. Eduardo, Pierre, Paulo, Tariq, Rico, Cancu, Eduardo, Pierre, Paulo, Tariq, Ryoko, Cancu. Listen.
Welcome. Page 3. Exercise 2A. Track 2. Conversation A. Hi, I'm Paolo. What's your name?
I'm Ryoko.
How do you spell that?
Ryoko.
Conversation B. Hi, Cancu. How's it going? This is my friend Eduardo.
Nice to meet you, Eduardo.
Listen.
Welcome. Page 3. Exercise 2A. Track 2. Conversation A. Hi, I'm Paolo. What's your name?
I'm Ryoko.
How do you spell that?
Ryoko.
Conversation B. Hi, Cancu. How's it going? This is my friend Eduardo.
Nice to meet you, Eduardo.
Please write. Please write. Listen.
Page 3, Exercise 2B. Track 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. What's your name? Helena. How do you spell that? Helena. What's your name? Helena. How do you spell that? Helena. Talk to 5 classmates. Write the names. Talk to 5 classmates. Write the names. Write your teacher's name. Amanda. A, M, A, N, D, A. Teacher Amanda. 0, 0. 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5. 6, 6. 7, 7. 8, 8. 9, 9. 10, 10. 11, 11. 12, 12. 13, 13. 14, 14. 15, 15. 16, 16. 17, 17. 18, 18. 19, 19. 20, 20. Listen and circle. Circle the number you hear. 6, 6. 20, 20. 1, 1. 15, 15. 9, 9. 12, 12. 8, 5. 16.
Page 4. Exercise 3B. Track 6. 1,
6,
2,
20,
3,
1,
4,
15,
5,
9,
6,
12,
7,
8,
8,
5,
9,
16,
Page 4, Exercise 3C, Track 7. 1, 3, 2, 8, 3, 18, 4, 12, 5, 1, 6, 0, 7, 20, 8, 4, 9, 15, 10, 11. Page 4, Exercise 3C, Track 7. 1, 3, 2, 8, 3, 18, 4, 12, 5, 1, 6, 0, 7, 20, 8, 4, 9, 15, 10, 11.
One, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3.
Page 5, Exercise 4A, Track 8.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday,
Track Page 5, Exercise 4A, Track 8.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday,
Page 5, Exercise 4C, Track 9. 1, January. 2, February. 3, March. 4, April. 5, May. 6, June. 7, July. 8, August. 9, September. 10, October. 11, November. 12, December.
Good job. Now the workbook. Do this next.